Children, let us continue with example number 4. Mass of a block of metal is 10 kg and its dimensions are length 50 cm, breadth 10 cm, height 20 cm. If the metal block is placed on the following surface on the table, find out on which of the surface ABCD, CDEF and BCFG will the pressure exerted on the table be maximum. So the diagram is shown here. The block of metal is cuboidal in shape. Its faces are all rectangular in shape. The mass of block is 10 kg and it has 50 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter as length, breadth and height respectively. In this figure you can see AB is the length, edge AB is the length, that is 50 centimeter, BG is the breadth 10 centimeter and height is BC. It is given as 20 centimeter. Mass of block is given as 10 kilogram. We have to take out the weight of the block. Therefore, we will multiply mass into acceleration due to gravity. 10 multiplied by 9.8 is equal to 98 Newton is the weight of the block. For the surface ABCD, length is 50 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. We have to convert centimeter into meter. Therefore, area is equal to 0.1 meter square. Pressure is equal to 98 divided by 0.1 according to the formula of pressure, weight divided by area. So 980 Pascal is the pressure exerted by the surface ABCD. For the surface CDEF, length is 50 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and the area is 0.05 meter square. When we convert centimeter into meter, we will get area as 0.05 meter square. Pressure is equal to weight upon area and the pressure exerted by surface CDEF is 1960 Pascal. Children, I will explain you all the calculations in next slide. For the surface BCFG, height is 20 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. And when you convert centimeter into meter and if you calculate the area, it will come as 0.02 meter square. Pressure is equal to weight upon area, 98 Newton divided by 0.02 meter square and the answer is 4900 Pascal. So maximum pressure is exerted by the surface BCFG. Pressure exerted by surface ABCD is 980 Pascal. Pressure exerted by surface CDEF is 1960 Pascal and pressure exerted by the surface BCFG is 4900 Pascal. Here the area of contact between the two objects is minimum. Therefore, maximum pressure is exerted. Now we are going to see the calculation part in next slide. Example number 4. I have explained here calculation part only. Weight of the block is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. 10 multiplied by 9.8 is 98 Newton. For the surface ABCD, length is 50 centimeter, height is 20 centimeter. Now here see, I have converted centimeter into meter by dividing the number by 100. 50 upon 100 multiplied by 20 upon 100. So 1 0 each gets cancelled and 0.5 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.1 meter square. Now pressure is equal to weight upon area, 98 divided by 0.1 and when you remove decimal point from denominator you will get answer as 980 Pascal. So pressure exerted by surface ABCD is 980 Pascal. Let us see how much pressure is exerted by surface CDEF. Length is 50 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. Area is equal to length into height. 50 divided by 100 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 meter square. We have divided the numbers by 100 in order to convert them from centimeter to meter. 0.5 multiplied by 0.1 is 0.05 meter square. Pressure is equal to weight upon area, 98 divided by 0.05. When the decimal point from denominator is removed, we will get numerator as 9800 divided by 5, and the answer comes as 1960 Pascal. So the pressure exerted by surface CDEF is 1960 Pascal. Let us see how much pressure is exerted by surface BCFG. Breadth is 10 cm, height is 20 cm, area is equal to 10 upon 100 multiplied by 20 upon 100. 0.1 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.02 meter square. Pressure is equal to weight upon area. 98 divided by 0.2 is equal to 9800 divided by 2, and that is equal to 4900 Pascal. So the pressure exerted by surface BCFG is 4900 Pascal. Here maximum pressure is exerted by surface BCFG because the area of contact is least and therefore maximum pressure is exerted. Last example, a piece of marble tile weighs 100 gram in air. If its density is 2.5 gram per centimeter cube, what will be its weight in water? Weight in air is 100 gram. Density is given as 2.5 gram per cc. Now we have to calculate first volume. Volume is equal to mass upon density. 100 upon 2.5 gives 40 cc as an answer. Therefore, according to Archimedes principle, when the piece is dipped in water, water of volume equal to the volume of piece, that is 40 cc, will be displaced. The loss in the weight of the piece will be equal to the weight of displaced water. So weight in water is equal to 100 gram minus 40 grams is equal to 60 gram. The calculation part is shown in next slide. Weight in air is 100 gram, density is 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. Volume is equal to mass upon density 100 upon 2.5. So when we remove the decimal point, we will get the number as 1000 divided by 25, and that is equal to 40 cc. Weight in water is equal to 100 gram minus 40 grams is equal to 60 gram. So children, we have discussed all the solved examples. We will discuss the exercise based on lesson number 3 in next video. Thank you.